Ringworm is a fungal infection that occurs in different parts of our body. Ringworm should be repaired very quickly. Because very quickly, ringworm spreads from small places to large body parts, so the ringworm should be repaired as soon as possible. Today I will show you same ringworm natural home remedy. If you use this home remedy properly, then your ringworm trouble will be solved. So let's start it. Whatever is needed to make the fast natural remedy. Ginger. Ginger has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties, which helps to remove scars, itching. Turmeric powder. Turmeric is a popular spice with anti-inflammatory properties. A part of turmeric known as curcumin is believed to be responsible for the spice's health benefits. Numerous studies detail its extensive antimicrobial abilities. Aloe vera gel. Aloe vera contains 6 antiseptic agents that, according to research, exhibit antifungal, antibacterial, and antiviral activities. Apply the gel from an aloe vera plant onto the ringworm patch 3 or 4 times daily. The gel also has cooling properties, so it may soothe itchy and swollen skin. First, take 1 tablespoon ginger paste in a bowl. Add ½ tablespoon turmeric. Add 1 tablespoon aloe vera gel. Then mix well. At fast, clean your skin with Dettol. Then apply your ringworm. Keep 10 to 50 minutes. After 15 minutes, wash with normal waters. Regular 3 to 4 day use this medicine, you will get good results. Second step. First, take 1 banana, posted in a bowl. Banana fungal infection is very effective. The use of bananas to remove itching is very comfortable. Add amount like of lemon juice. We know that lemon juice works great in removing any blemishes. Mix well. At fast, clean your ringworm skin with a little hot water. Then in this home remedy, apply your ringworm. Wait until the remedy is dry. After dry this remedy, wash with normal waters. You can see better results. If you use those natural remedy properly, then ringworm will be goodbye. If you want to get more solution, please visit our website. If you want to know something, please comment. Subscribe this channel to get more helpful video.